Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be replacing the front brake lever on Faye's Kawasaki Z650. If like me, you've never done this before, it's actually really simple, and I've made a quick step-by-step video to show you what to do. All there is basically a bolt on the bottom of a screw that's a flathead, the bolt just shown here, and there's no other bits that are connected to actually doing this. All you're going to need is a 10mm spanner and a flathead screwdriver, as you can see here. Quite simply, unscrew the screw and loosen the bolt off. The screw does need to come all the way out as it is threaded in the actual brake itself, so just bear that in mind. As you can see, once that bolt's out, there is movement straight away in the brake lever and it's easy to wiggle out. We'll now look at replacing the new brake lever, which is everything we've done, just in reverse. So as you can see here, just get the brake lever in position and then reinsert the bolt at the top. Again, the brake lever will be threaded, so you do need to actually screw the screw through the brake lever before actually being able to put the bolt on the bottom, as you can see here. Once that's done, I'd suggest giving it a quick nip with the spanner just to make sure it's nice and tight. Then check the brake functionality, give it a little squeeze, check that the adjustment works, and obviously I would suggest taking it out for a slow ride just to make sure everything's functioning as possible. Now guys, I'm not a trained mechanic, so obviously before you do anything to your bike, make sure you're comfortable with what you're doing. Obviously there are plenty of bike shops around, one of which my friends over at Peterborough Webbs have a great service centre and service team there, so they'd be happy to help you out if you're doing any fixing up to your bike. Hopefully we'll have some dry roads soon and we'll get out on two wheels. I know Webbs have got a few new releases that I'm really excited to take out on the road. So hopefully we'll do a review video soon. In the meantime, stay safe guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.